complaint so it can get finished today.
What can get finished?
Manifestation bullshit.
Manifestation?
Yes, manifestation bullshit.
Okay, I'm not exactly sure what you're talking about.
You need to talk to like your chief or something.
The chief only talks to people if they make an appointment. They only make. You have to make an appointment with the chief to see him.
You're gonna have to call him or something.
Okay.
Wasting my time. You can call him. My phone's broke.
You know what? Let me call somebody from my.
Okay. Okay. You're welcome.
She's not in her office. Yeah, but everybody you need to talk to, that you want to talk to, are, you have to make an appointment to see them. Well, that's the way it's going to be. You can say no all you want.
I'll stand there.
Okay. I have someone who actually needs help. Can you have him? Sir, don't be difficult. Just, there's no one that will talk to you.
Probably will.
No.
Yeah.
Because you're talking about some kind of manifestation. It's that, you know what that tells me?
What?
That you're mental.
You're fucking retarded. Say that shit again.
You're mental.
Come say it to my face. Say it.
You have to leave now, sir.
Or what?
You have to leave now, sir.
Call someone right the fuck
I'm
now.
not calling anyone.
Yeah,
you have to leave.
Why?
Leave.
Make me leave.
Leave.
Make me leave.
Make you leave?
Yeah. Make me leave.
Make sure this is on. You have to leave, sir.
Make me leave. Say that shit again.
You called me retarded.
Say that shit again.
You're mental.
Ain't nobody fucking mental, bro. Get the fuck out. Think I'm playing, bro? Huh? Ain't nobody fucking mental. Fucking call somebody so I can fucking talk to someone.
Get off me.
Say that shit again. Say that shit again. We can do this all day.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Yeah. Take that bitch. What? Fucking bullshit.
Not today.
Yeah. Y'all hear this shit out here?
Who is it? Yeah.
I have no idea.
Alright, we're just gonna roll him over. Take my gun belt. Get him in. Before I get off. Hand me my handcuff.
You're getting press charges on, big boy.
Alright. You gotta roll on your stomach, bud. Roll over, my man.
Get the fuck off me, man.
Roll
Nigga. Get off me.
Roll
man.
on your stomach.
How the fuck I'm gonna roll over?
There you go.
Fucking faggots.
Here, give me that.
Yep.
I got something for you one day, boy.
You did it today.
I got something for all of you.
Let's go.
I'm gonna see you again.
Hope so.
Fuck off, bro. I can walk. Yeah. I got
Thank you.
so like ass punch. Yeah, okay.
Let's
Watch. I'm gonna get all your.
What's your first name?
Fuck you. That's what it is. Yeah, grab my nuts. I'm calling the cops on that. It's not how you do this shit. You're gay. You wanna suck my dick while you at it? Huh? You wanna look down there or something?
Are you on?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, stay on. You do first punch, fag. That's why I got you.
He came in wanting to speak to somebody over
Nah,
me,
don't try
and then he starts talking about some kind of manifestation happening.
Exactly.
So I told him,
Exactly.
nobody's going to talk to you because you're acting like a mental.
No, I'm
He got
not.
mad because I called him mental.
Exactly.
All right.
We got him.
We're probably going to need a transport,
Probably
and he
wrong.
does have some mental health.
No, I don't. Alright, bro.
All right, we're going out the front door. Come
Keep
on.
fucking with me. You gonna fix these handcuffs,
Come on.
right? Alright. You guys are getting sued. Fuck off, bro. D-rings and everything. Fucking shit. Coming back.